Design, and today I'm here to reveal my latest kit for the Button Farm Club. This is June 2021 and we are going shabby chic vintage with Prima's gorgeous My Sweet collection kit. This is my quarterly card subscription kit club. So if you're subscribed to the club, you'll automatically get this. You don't need to order. If you're not subscribed to the club, you can find out how to join at buttonfarmclub.com. And if you're not subscribed, you can still get the kit if there are any left over after all the subscribers have gotten theirs. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we're going to get in this wonderful collection. I love anything with a sewing theme. So when Prima came out with My Sweet, I swooned. So we are going to get 14 sheets of the 12 by 12 papers with which we will make our cards. And this is gorgeous, gorgeous paper. We've got the 12 by 12 that has the foiling on it. So it's extra special, beautiful patterns, just gorgeous images. I am so excited about making this kit with y'all. I love all the little button cards, if you're like me. And then look at this sweet little bunny rabbits and squirrels, toile, just darling paper. And I love the soft pink and minty green color palette. It's just refreshing to work with, especially during the heat of summer. So we're going to have a very good time making lots and lots of beautiful cards with this paper. So 14 sheets of 12 by 12. Then you're also going to get 6 sheets of nice heavy 12 by 12 white cardstock to make your card bases. And then to go with the paper collection, you're going to get not one, but 2 packages of the My Sweet ephemera. And we're going to use this to do all sorts of little special effects with our cards. These are just beautiful, and these have the gold foiling on them as well. So that's going to be delightful. So you'll get 2 of those. Then you will also get a package of the My Sweet flowers. So everything is perfectly color matched. Then you're going to get a vellum envelope, and we're going to make the most gorgeous shaker card with this envelope and these sequins. You get a whole tin of these beautiful pink sequins, so you'll have plenty left over. Then you're going to get 12 beautiful little shell buttons. These have the most gorgeous mother of pearl finish. And look at the charms that come with this kit. I am so excited about these charms. Little scissors, little spools of thread, little sewing machines. This one actually says Singer. Little metal button charms, tape measure, different kinds of scissors, this really cool needle. So we'll do some fun things with these embellishments. And then 4 beautiful white doilies, 8.5 yards of string, and 2 yards of May Arts champagne wrinkled ribbon. So this is an amazing kit, and I think you're going to love working with these papers and embellishments, and we're going to make so many cards. So I'll go get those together and I'll come back and show you what we're going to make. All right, guys, I just finished putting all this kit together, and this is what I had left. A lot of nice little paper scraps, a few ephemera bits, and almost a whole sheet of paper, plus a strip of cardstock. So you can make some good cards and bonus cards and things like that with all of those goodies. So let's see what we made. We start out, we made this beautiful shaker card with this vellum envelope. I love the softness of this, and this would be a great wedding card for summer. And here is a look at the inside. Room to write over here, and a little gift card pocket over here. Then we made 2 adorable cutaway cards. And these have a sentiment panel here and then a little decorative panel on the side. We've got our little scissor charm and our little tape measure charm that comes with the kit. That's what that looks like on the inside. Then we made some easel cards because those are always popular. And how cute would these be to display in your sewing room? Really cute, right? They're your studio. I love vintage buttons. Y'all know that about me. We got our cute little sewing charm here. Some sequins to add a bit of sparkle. And here is the inside. And the inside of this one is basically the same. Then we made a slimline card. These are so popular right now. And this one has a great organic botanical feel. And here is the inside, and there's a little gift card pocket with a tag in there. Real sweet. Very, very sweet. Everything about this collection is just soft and feminine. These are two of my favorite. These are double Z fold cards. So these are really fun to make, and I think you'll enjoy them. This one has a little button charm and our little pearl buttons in the corners. And this is a little gift card pocket. So you can write a note on the back of the button card, and there's room to tuck in a gift card if you want to in there. And this is the other one. We make two of these because they're so fun. I think you're really going to like this clever design. Then we made two, I love pop-up cards. So these are big. These are 6 by 6. Some really pretty layers. And then on the inside, this is a diamond pop-up. And we have pockets where you can tuck in a little gift card or a little tea bag. You can write a little note on the back of these ephemera cards. You can put little photos here if you want, but we make two of these as well. Here's our little sewing machine charm, and there's this one. And then, because y'all told me you really like having a folio in with the card kit, we make this darling little 5 by 5 folio with the button charm and scissors charm on the spine. This has a removable belly band. And this is loaded. I think you're going to be surprised at how much is in here. So we have a flap page with a pocket. And we make these are darling little mini folios that go in here. These are great little hidden journaling spots. There's also room to tuck photos. Of course, these are areas for photographs. And then this flap page opens out. And we have a pocket, a side pocket here. We've got these sweet little tags that go into this pocket. And then another button card that goes here. So room for photo here, and then also you have room for photo or journaling here, a photo mat here, and another pocket. So that's pretty good for a 5 by 5 folio, I think. So that is the kit. You will want to put your order in at Button Farm Club. I will have the link below. This is a card club subscription kit. So if you are subscribed to my card kit, you will automatically get this and you don't have to order. If you are not subscribed, Laura always sets a few little, typically these card kits sell out pretty fast, but Laura usually sets a few aside for people who want to subscribe to the kit. So those are available, and I will put the link below, and I hope that you are excited about this. I love this paper collection. I love the colors. I love the images. I love the patterns. This is a fun one, guys. All right, thanks so much. I'm going to go get my craft on. Bye.